Hey guys, how's it going? Big John with J Custom Builds. Happy Friday. So I hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a couple weeks since I made a video. I just been trying to, recover with my leg and, just kind of the ups and downs of recovery. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, man, this giveaway is active. It's genuine. Any of you guys that have any questions, you can ask any of my 65 buyers, my 65 customers who have purchased hats and t-shirts, and some repetitively. I think we have like 107 sales. We have 93 left to go. So if you're interested, man, in winning any one of these beautiful bikes, head over to my website, man, jcustombuilds.com. You can check out my merch in there. There's t-shirts, there's hats, different colors, men and women, different sizes. Head over to jcustombuilds.com and check it out. And other than that, let me go ahead and show you the status of my bikes right now. My dogs are finally getting along better, guys. I was having some serious issues with that, but they're finally getting along better. And they do go at it once in a while because they're boys and they're not fixed, and they're both like 2 years old. So, but they're good boys. So anyways, I showed the status of my bikes here not that long ago. You could see that they're dirty. I haven't moved them. I started them. That's all I've done. I have not, really been able to really do anything. And so I don't even want to try to attempt to ride them right now. It's only been 3.5 months post surgery, and I don't want to re-injure my leg, man. The last thing I want to do is go through what I've been through in the last 3.5 months. It hasn't been easy, man, and there's reasons why, but I don't really want to get into that right now. So what I want to get into is the bikes. I wanted to go ahead and show you this beautiful girl. I'm going to show you guys a video of the bike. While they're clean, because you could see that they're very dirty right now. So the last thing I did to this girl last year was I put the chrome forks on her, and everything in them is brand new, all the springs and everything. And so she's ready to go. She runs beautiful, she looks beautiful. And this girl right here, the battery was actually dead on it. I was able to start it up. I have not made the review on my seat yet because I have not been able to ride it, as I mentioned before. And then we have this beautiful girl right here. This is Wolf, and she has chrome forks as well. Everything on them is brand new, and you guys can see I started them up. I'll throw that in there as well so you guys can hear how beautiful they sound. But yeah, I mean, you can see all the detail on these bikes, and everything that I've done. I mean, they're just amazing. All I had to do is take them out and clean them. And I actually got a new seat for that bike. It's not brand new, but it's sitting over there, and it actually has like I guess it's ostrich. And so I'm going to put that on there and see how people like that. And but anyways, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, man, that this is legit. So there's people that are angry because it's taken. There's a couple people out there that are angry out of all the customers that I have, and I don't blame them. It's been 2 years that we've been trying to do this, and so it's not my fault it's taken this long. I did blame myself for a long time, but it's just my first giveaway, and I'm still trying to do it, and it's kind of hard when people don't know who you are and you're building a new channel, and you just started doing this 2 years ago. So that's okay. I'm going to hang in there with this as long as it takes to make it happen. So anyways, so I just wanted to show you guys, all the details on the bikes. You could see everything that I've done to them. All new cabling, all this stuff is brand new with the exceptions of the wiring and the clamshells. And brand new paint, $4,000 paint job on both of these bikes. I did not want to cut corners, and so, I still think the paint could have come out a little bit nicer. I grew up with some really good painters, and man, you can see how dirty the seat is. Look at that. Everything's just dirty, man. It's been sitting for, like I said, for almost 4 months. So, but you could see, you know, the quality of the bikes, they're absolutely beautiful. And there was no corners cut on these bikes. And so I just wanted to share with you, and I'll show a video of them while they're, you know, clean. But the video it's an older video from, I think, last year. And so it doesn't show the chrome forks on the bikes. It doesn't show all the stuff. I fixed the bags on here. I fixed the foot pedal on that. I put all new bushings in there. You know, I just been, you know, fixing all the little things that, you know, when you rebuild a bike, there's going to be little quirks and stuff that you're going to have to go through and fix. And so there wasn't very many, but I've gone through them and I fixed all the little things that needed to be repaired. So moving on to Sapphire. So you can see everything on Sapphire. I mean, you can't see it that good. The lighting isn't that great in here. But I mean, you can see everything on here is brand new with the exception of those clams and these switches here. But everything in here, you know, bars, everything on the bars, mirrors, and everything's brand new. All brand new switches in there. Again, this paint job was a little more than, I think it was like 42 or 4300 because of the paint. Said you had to pay a little more for the paint. But I mean, everything, stainless steel bolts. This is a brand new seat with blue stitching. I wish the stitching could have been a little bit darker, but it fits perfect. And I have the little pillion that goes in the back here. And you can see, man, these bikes are absolutely beautiful. So I have lowered all my prices right now to $75. Everything, all the t-shirts, all the hats and everything are $75 plus shipping. And I think I'm going to leave them like that until this is over. You know, I know that the election is just over now. It's Saturday the 8th, or Friday. It's actually Friday the 8th. And so, you know, I know that, you know, things are going to start to get better and people are going to be able to get involved into the giveaway now. So that's all I wanted to say. So I'm going to show a short video of the bikes while they're clean. Again, it was last year, so you can't see all the chrome forks and everything, that all the little things that I've added. But, you know, that's pretty much what they look like. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to get involved in the giveaway, you can head over to my website. What's my wife calling it now? She's calling it opportunities. She's like, they have 93 opportunities left to get involved in this giveaway. 107 have already sold. So there's 93 chances for you to win either one of these bikes. $75 is the entry fee to win one of these beautiful bikes. I've mentioned this before. I got 16 grand in each bike. They're beautiful. They're worth it. They run great. And if you want to win a beautiful Harley, head over to the website, jcustombuilds.com. Buy yourself a hat, t-shirt, multiple. It's your choice. And that's your automatic entry into the giveaway. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please help me get to my 1,000. Share this video with anybody you know that would be interested in winning one of these beautiful bikes. I'm telling you, I'm going to deliver it to your door in person. And for all those guys, or the few that are out there hating on me, you can hate all you want, man. Ask any of my 65, 66 customers that are on here if they didn't get their merch and they're still not on the list. They trust me. So, you know, I'm sorry it's taken this long, but it is what it is. So I'm not going to make excuses. I'm going to do this until it's over. Other than that, you guys have a great weekend. Happy November. Always remember to ride safe. Take care in everything you do. And God bless, man. I appreciate you guys. So let's start these girls up. Beautiful Sapphire here. This beautiful 2010 Street Glide. And you can see, man, a lot of work went into both of these bikes. And let's start this girl up. Guys, your guys' choice. You decide. It's your choice to win either one of these beautiful bikes. They are absolutely stunning.